Question: how to use the CIA Gateway Experience concept to attract $50,000? Have you ever experienced meditation, affirmation, goal setting, and other daily exercise is not bringing you to the money that you are asking for? If you have this mental block, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share 3 simple steps from the concept of CIA Gateway Experience to manifest the money you want and guide you to find your real purpose in life. Let's start. Welcome back to the channel. I'm PK John T. This channel is dedicated to help you to find your purpose in life by satisfying your wealth, relationship, health, and dreams. Stick around till the end because I'm going to show you 3 steps grounded in the Bible verse that will help you to attract the money you want. Step 1. Align your energy with the expectation. What do you mean by that? Romans 12:2 says, do not conform to the pattern of the world, but transform by the renewing of your mind. The Bible tells us 2 keywords, transform and renewal. When I ask for money and did the meditation exercise, my result is the same just like everyone else. All because my focus is on myself. Till I transform my goal from asking money for myself to asking about my purpose in life. How can I serve others? At the time, I have no idea why I make this shift. But when I renew my mind and set my new expectation, my whole world changed. I found an image and align my emotion with the future. It's the same concept like a gateway experience of music, frequency music and meditation. Once I connected, my path began to change and a lot of the things happen. Let's continue to find out. Step 2. Daily journal to yourself. Why do I need to put my daily journal to myself? You must ask. Imagine if you have a personal teacher, coach that can provide you a suggestion, solution, ideas, feedback every single day. What would your day looks like tomorrow? Write down the journal. You will actually open up the door that's communicate with your future self, which is you are communicate the energy. For the step 1 exercise, you write down your emotion, write down your ideas, and ask the right question. Is a key. Ask the right question. For example, if you are imagine yourself living in a good house in a good neighborhood zone, you will ask yourself, why do you see the pictures like that? What should I do to take my next step so I can get closer to what do I see? That is the key to receive after you put your expectation with the question. Step 3. Take action and no hesitation. Your next question might be, I have no idea what to do. What action should I take? Back to the pictures we just mentioned. You see the image of yourself living in a good house, good neighborhood, good school zone. And then you align your emotion with this expectation. You write down the question, you write down in the journey, and ask the right question. All of a sudden, huge setback. Accident. YouTube video flash in front of you. Some people you not even know pop up in front of you. At the moment those things happen, it's opportunity. It's a door. Because you are making your expectation connect with emotion and ask the right question. Now the world, your universe reply to you with your next step. At the moment, you will need to tell yourself, all opportunity, all the door that's happened is for my own good. Once you decide to take the action, like finding a new job, handle the accident properly, open up the video and watch it, you will need the gratitude and appreciation on the action you are taking, because you are moving forward by taking the actions. Sometimes before you do that, there will be little sounds in your mind telling you, rethink, reconsider, don't do it, ask someone for your advice. But let me tell you this is the time you need the guts. Take the action, move forward, because this is the way you tell in the universe, I'm connect with the emotion, I see the opportunity, and I'm taking action. Let me tell you my story. Years ago, I ran into the accident. It's a tailgate, no big deal. So I handled properly with a lawyer. I end up with a pay a small pay. It's not much, but after that, surprisingly, my car got stolen. So I report to an insurance company. Same thing, insurance company pay the value of my stolen car. At the moment, I have been changed from asking the money for myself, asking the financial freedom goal of myself, switching to finding a purpose in life. How can I serve others? I make this transform. So I renew my mindset and set my new expectation. That's why the things begin to happen around me. After that, my work obligation change. My work require me to drive more, get the job done. By doing that, I also got a reward by the high commissions. All of the fund I accumulate from the car accident, change a car, get high commission, with all the amount, I'm actually accumulate closer to $50,000. As a result, I attract new classes, new teachers, new community that can bring me to find my purpose in life and the real things I want to do. Align your energy and emotion to the future is really important. You will experience a big emotional impact while you are doing the exercise. But the key here is write down the journal, write down your feeling, and ask the right question. This will open the door for the communication and receive the new ideas. Trusting your instinct and follow the flow to take the action right away. Don't think, just do it. It is the last puzzle to move forward and get closer to the image, the picture you see, and the expectation you are looking for. By following those 3 steps, you align your energy and discover your purpose in life during the journey. If you are feeling stuck or struggling to connect your future taking actions, I would love to offer you a free life coaching section. Just leave a comment below with +1. If this message enlightens you, please give the thumbs up, share with your friend, and click subscribe for this channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you will never miss out the new content. This is PK John T. I will catch you in the next video. Take care and keep taking actions.